Pandas, merge, join, two data frames on multiple columns. I am trying to join two pandas data frames using two columns, but got the following error. Any idea what should be the right way to do this? Thanks.
Try this. This URL left_unlabel or list or array like field names to join on in left data frame can be a vector or list of vectors of the length of the data frame to use a particular vector as the join key instead of columns right_on, label or list or array like field names to join on and right data frame or vector/list of vectors per left_on docs.
The problem here is that by using the apostrophes you are setting the value being passed to be a string, when in fact, as Shiho stated from the documentation, the function is expecting a label or list, but not a string. If the list contains each of the name of the columns being passed for both the left and right data frame, then each column name must individually be within apostrophes. With what has been stated, we can understand why this is incorrect. And this is the correct way of using the function.
Another way of doing this.
It merges according to the ordering of left_on and right_on, i.e., the ith element of left_on will match with the ith of right_on. In the example below, the code on the top matches a_call1 with b_call1 and a_call2 with b_call2, while the code on the bottom matches a_call1 with b_call2 and a_call2 with b_call1. Evidently, the results are different. As can be seen from the above example, if the merged keys have different names, all keys will show up as their individual columns in the merged data frame. In the example above, in the top data frame, a_call1 and b_call1 are identical and a_call2 and b_call2 are identical. In the bottom data frame, a_call1 and b_call2 are identical and a_call2 and b_call1 are identical. Since these are duplicate columns, they are most likely not needed. One way to not have this problem from the beginning is to make the merged keys identical from the beginning. See bullet point number 3 below. If left_on and right_on are the same call1 and call2, we can use on equals call1, call2. In this case, no merged keys are duplicated. You can also merge one side on column names and the other side on index 2. For example, in the example below, df1's columns are matched with df2's indices. If the indices are named, as in the example below, you can reference them by name, but if not, you can also use right_index equals true, or left_index equals true if the left data frame is the one being merged on index. By using the how equals parameter, you can perform left join, how equals left, full outer join, how equals outer, and right join, how equals right, as well. The default is inner join, how equals inner, as in the examples above. If you have more than 2 data frames to merge and the merge keys are the same across all of them, then join method is more efficient than merge because you can pass a list of data frames and join on indices. Note that the index names are the same across all data frames in the example below, call 1 and call 2. Note that the indices don't have to have names. If the indices don't have names, then the number of the multi-indices must match. In the case below there are 2 multi-indices. Again, as in bullet point number 1, the match occurs according to the ordering of the indices.